Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been following my channel, you know we've been deep diving into the CLM on Cross ecosystem. But today isn't just about the current shop, it's about a massive shift coming to the game. With the Grand Unity governance vote results officially in, we are heading toward a huge milestone on June 1st. Let's break down the new web shop and the game-changing rewards waiting for you. First, let's talk about the new Next Market web shop. While the original Cross shop is great, Next Market is a cleaner alternative that offers more payment flexibility. You can find everything from daily and weekly packs to web shop exclusive items package. Pro tip: make sure you are logged into your game account before browsing to ensure your purchases are sent straight to your in-game mail without any delay. Now, let's talk about the big news from the Cross protocol. They've just introduced the Cross Rewards CrossPool, and it's a total game changer for players. This new system is designed to turn your time and effort in Shiltz into real, tangible value. Now, pay close attention to this next part. It's about your assets. The ecosystem is undergoing a major realignment. On June 9th, Cross Rewards is officially upgrading to Rewards 2.0. What you need to do? The current CrossPool, where you deposit Cross to earn game tokens, is being discontinued. New deposits are no longer supported. To keep earning, you must withdraw your Cross from CrossPool and move it over to Cross Staking. This is the new primary engine for the ecosystem. After the transition on June 9th, you'll manage all your withdrawals and staking through the CrossXapp portfolio. Don't leave your tokens sitting in the old pool, get them moved so you don't miss out on the new reward structure. The community has spoken. The Grand Unity governance vote results are in, and the protocol is officially shifting toward a more decentralized validator model. What does this mean for you? Mark your calendars for June 1st. That's when the Breakpoint Mainnet 2.0 update goes live. This update will bring the following: high-frequency on-chain asset support, making your items and tokens faster to trade, the activation of the official staking portal, a huge surge in ecosystem utility that really puts the power back in the players' hands. The hype for June 1st is real, and the Grand Unity is just the beginning of what CLM on Cross is going to become. Between the new web shop making it easier to gear up and the CrossPool expanding our rewards, there's never been a better time to be an adventurer in CLM. Stay tuned as we get closer to that June 1st Breakpoint launch. I'll be covering every detail of the update as it drops. If you're ready for Mainnet 2.0, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next guide.